Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala scheme. Why in news? The Union government has recently revealed a reduction in cylinder prices, with a 200 rupees decrease applicable to all users. Additionally, those enrolled in the government's Ujjwala Yojana will enjoy an even greater reduction of 400 rupees per cylinder. About Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala scheme. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala scheme initiated by PM Narendra Modi on 1st May 2016 under the slogan Clean Fuel, Better Life. Main objective: ensuring the well-being of women and children by granting access to clean cooking fuel, specifically LPG, to prevent health risks associated with smoky kitchens and the collection of firewood in unsafe areas. Implementing agency: Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Challenges in implementation of the scheme: authentic data for 100% accurate identification of poor households is lacking. SECC 2011 data included some affluent households erroneously categorized as BPL. Beneficiaries often lack awareness of safety requirements for cooking with LPG stoves. Many deserving households lack essential documents like ration cards and Aadhaar cards. Some regions face challenges in establishing LPG distributorships due to law and order issues or forested areas. Performance of Ujjwala scheme. Phase 1 of the scheme involved releasing 8 crore LPG connections, which significantly raised the LPG coverage from 62% on 1st May 2016 to 99.8% by 1st April 2021. Phase 2 of the scheme, as of 1st March 2023, has seen the total number of connections released under PMUY reach 9.59 crore. The number of active domestic LPG consumers has witnessed a substantial increase, rising from 14.52 crore in April 2014 to 31.4 crore as of March 2023. For more such updates, subscribe to Vidyarthee Education.